This is a Microsoft Visio Drawing file, a legacy format used for professional flowcharts and technical diagrams. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Since this is an older binary format, let's get it converted to a modern version so you can use the latest editing features. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one VSD file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. A VSD file is the legacy native format for Microsoft Visio, a powerful diagramming and vector graphics application. These files are used to store complex visual data, including flowcharts, network diagrams, organizational charts, floor plans, and business process models. Unlike standard image files, VSD files are vector-based, meaning shapes can be resized without losing clarity. While the VSD format was the standard for decades, specifically Visio 2003 through 2010, it has since been replaced by the more modern, XML-based .VSDX format. The VSD format was originally introduced in 1992 by the Shapeware Corporation, which was later acquired by Microsoft in 2000. Architecturally, VSD is a proprietary binary format that employs a complex black box structure, making it difficult to access without Microsoft software. Every element in the file is governed by a ShapeSheet, a spreadsheet-like database that defines the properties, behaviors, and geometry of every object on the canvas. Due to its binary nature, VSD files use LZW-like lossless compression to manage file size, whereas newer formats use ZIP-based XML compression. Microsoft Visio is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the VSD format. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows cannot display interactive or complex layout components, so full access requires layout software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the VSD file and click Open with Test Microsoft Visio first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If the VSD file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Your system failed to open the VSD file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, open in Microsoft Visio. Launch the Visio desktop application and use File Open to load the legacy.vsd document. Next, upgrade to VSDX. To ensure compatibility with modern Office features, go to File, Save As, and change the format to the newer .vsdx extension. Finally, use Web Viewer. If you don't have the desktop app, upload the file to OneDrive or SharePoint to view and edit the diagram directly in your web browser. If your apps can't interpret the VSD file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the VSD label is unclear or shared. Time for the guaranteed solution, FileMagick. It handles any VSD format you throw at it. Available now at filemagick.com. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow.